Southwest 212, let's do some math. This is number 6, part A. This is my 200th video I've ever recorded. In the given right triangles, find the missing lengths to the nearest tenths. Show your work. Alright, we are solving for a leg here on this triangle. So I'm going to be doing subtraction. The hypotenuse squared minus the leg that I do have. 7 squared. That'll get me y squared. So that's 196. If you remember 13 and 14, all you got to do is switch the 9 and the 6. Minus 49 equals y squared. So let's do some subtraction real quick. 196 minus 49. So 147 equals y squared. We need to take the square root of both sides to figure out what y, and this is going to be about, because 147 is not a perfect square number. So let's take the square root of 147, 12.1. So that'll be 12.1, and that's feet. Under and in.